Hi everyone, welcome to our exclusive interview with the incredibly talented artist, Sir Wilny. So today we have the privilege of delving into the creative mind behind the stunning works that have captivated art enthusiasts worldwide. Throughout this interview, we will explore the inspirations, techniques, and motivations that drive Sir Wilny to produce such evocative and thought-provoking pieces. So join us as we uncover the stories and emotions embedded within the art and gain a deeper understanding of the vision and passion that fuels this remarkable artist's work.
Morning, Sir Wilny. Pwede ka na mo ma-interview, bala gamay lang.
Okay.
Sige, mag-start as kuan. Name of the art.
Pangalan sa art kay The Life. Tapos,
Anong life man, sir?
kay murag nag-symbolize man siya sa mga bata nga kan nag-amping sa environment.
Pero ano mo siya nahimo?
Murag nahimo na ako siya mga pandemic times, mga months sa March na.
March of pandemic, gidi ay.
Pandemic.
So, kita mo kauman paghimaan eh.
Akong manghud, murag kami ra duha ato kay mostly lockdown pa biya, so wala tao makagawas-gawas.
Gusto mo na siya kanyang, what medium was used? Painting ba? Sculpture? Photograph?
Murag naman siya nagamit mig mga painting, uban sculpture nana.
Ito granaw, nga atong forma. So, kuan, is it realistic, abstract, or non-objective?
Murag realistic siya, realistic.
Matik na gid na. So, what technique was used and how was it produced?
Technique na gamit kay murag nag-craft mi ato, nag-sculpt tapos ang mga nag-collect big mga materials para gamiton. Amo dayon silang gihinay-hinay, step by step kamo sila buhat para may nato siya.
Kani. Ako sa kaning kadipod. What does it depict?
Depicts sorrow and sadness.
Pero no kay ang lungs kay symbolize sorrow. So kani. What artistic role does it play?
Para murag to inspire man to inspire others para makuha sila sa art kung bitaw mainganyo sila, matry sila na.
Thank you, sir. Moro to.
Okay.
Salamat kayo. Nice.